Vivo X21 smartphone with under-display fingerprint reader to be launched in India by the end of May, report. Chinese smartphone manufacturer Vivo's X21 comes with an under-display fingerprint reader and is currently the only production smartphone in the market to feature the same. The company has already launched the smartphone in China with price tags starting from 2,898 Chinese yuans, and now there's news that it could be launched in India as well. According to a report on 91 Mobiles, the smartphone is expected to be launched in India by the end of May and will go on sale in the first week of June. The Vivo X21 is expected to be priced above Rs 30,000 in India. The report mentioned that there is no news about the standard variant, with a fingerprint reader on the back, to be launched in India. The Vivo X21 comes in two variants, one with a physical fingerprint sensor on the rear side, whereas the second model features one inside the display, meaning a user has to place the finger on the display to authenticate or unlock the device. Vivo X21 comes with 6.28-inch Super AMOLED display with 1080 by 2280 pixels resolution. The display of the device comes with an iPhone X-like notch on the top. Inside, there's an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 SoC and a dedicated AI core with an Adreno 512 GPU. The under-display fingerprint device features a dual-camera setup of 12MP and 5MP on the rear side of the smartphone. The front camera comes with a 12MP sensor, which is also used to unlock the smartphone using facial recognition feature called as Face Wake 2.0. The dual camera stands vertically on the rear side of the smartphone with a LED flash placed below it. The device comes with two storage options, including 3GB RAM and 64GB storage, and a 6GB RAM and 128GB storage option. Three color variants including Aurora White, Ruby Red, and Black colors were available when it was announced in China. The Vivo X21 runs on Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box along with FunTouch OS 4.0 skin and is powered by 3200 mAh battery with fast charging support.